Hello everyone. Upcoming Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650 cruiser bike is spied again, and the production of this cruiser bike will be started soon. Super Meteor 650 is spied in a all black color, and it is look like a premium motorcycle which gives royal feel. Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650 cruiser bike gets a lots of features and specifications also. So talking about the looking of this upcoming cruiser bike, Super Meteor 650 bike launching with classic retro look, and in the front section of this bike it get round shape headlight. On the other hand, appears to have brushed aluminum finished garnishing and halogen indicators, rear view mirrors, and we will also see the chrome treatments for rear view mirrors and upswept handlebar. And talking about the rear section of this cruiser bike, it get round shape LED tail light and exhaust canister. We will also see the black dot effects on the body panels of this cruiser bike. Overall, this cruiser bike looks really good. And after that, talking about the key features of Super Meteor 650 cruiser bike, it will be get semi-digital instrument cluster. The cluster gets lots of features like speedometer, trip meter, odometer, etc. And in the top variants of this cruiser bike, it will be get tripper navigation system. So these are the basic features of this cruiser bike. After that, talking about the Super Meteor 650 hardware configurations. So this cruiser bike is spied in alloy wheels. It gets alloy wheels both the end of this bike. And talking about the braking duty, the braking duty is handled by the disc brake. The disc brake offered with dual channel ABS system, and it will also get the best suspensions. In the front section of this bike, it will be get upside down fork suspension and dual shock absorber suspension at the rear. So overall, it is a fully packaged cruiser bike. And after that, talking about the engine specifications of this upcoming cruiser bike, Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650 cruiser bike gets 650cc engine, and this engine is capable to generate a peak output power of 48 PS and 52 Nm peak output torque also. And the same engine was offered in the old model of Royal Enfield, which is Interceptor 650 and Continental GT 650. And Super Meteor 650 cruiser bike also get 6-speed manual gearbox, and definitely it will be a powerful motorcycle which gives best performance. So main thing is that what is the launching date of this cruiser bike? Recently launching date is not confirmed yet, but it is expected to be showcased at the Royal Enfield Rider Mania in Goa. So hopefully it will be launched in end of 2022 or starting month of 2023. So yeah, if you like this information and like this video, make sure to like our video and subscribe to our channel. So thank you for watching.